say in these group games, consistency is key to progressing further in the tournament. I'm looking forward to a hard-fought contest here today, Derek.
And the referee is quite rightly letting it go. But a second foul after the first one, and so no advantage there. Free kick. Nicely timed tackle. Can he put them in front? Well, memories. France, the winners back in 1984 with Michel Platini, the main attacking force. Then in 2000, it was Zinedine Zidane, the headline act, as they won again. But they haven't prevailed at the Euros since then, Stuart. Nevertheless, there isn't a better team in this competition than France on paper.
I don't think there is a better team. Even though they lost to Argentina in the World Cup final, I thought they were the best team in the tournament. And I think they're going to be the side to beat here. They've got lots of good players and a manager that knows what he wants from his team. They could go all the way.
Unable to keep the ball. Giroud. Now Rabiot. Olivier Giroud. Giroud must be. In it goes. The opening goal in this contest.
Well, I have to say, it's a lovely bit of skill by Dembele, and he makes no mistake with the finish. He showed a lot of composure there.
So the match has restarted, 1-0 here. In control, Griezmann as he goes forward. Big chance! In it goes! That will greatly help the cause. Now they only need to keep concentration levels high.
Well, as we see it again, he was never going to miss that, was he? That's a really simple finish in the end.
Well, they are committed to making the substitution here. Marcel Sabitzer. Well, making considerable progress with the ball. And a good challenge to bring that attack to an end. Well, high marks for that pass. The first half here comes to an end. The ball rolling again. France having already made a big first half statement here. Will we see more dazzling football from them in this second half? Dembele, Rabiot, Mbappe, tremendously strong in the tackle. Gregoric, Arnautovic. Useful looking position, you've got to say. Textbook defending inside the box. Mbappe. Now with Thuram. Well, he's lost the ball. Arnautovic. Can he get one back? Can they put it away? Mbappe. Mbappe. Spot on with that tackle. Stefan Posch. And it's with Gregoric. And the ball back with France now. Oh, in with a chance. Well, it was down to whether or not he could beat the keeper, and that question has been answered.
Well, I'm all for players striking through the back of the ball with power, but he has to hit the target from there.
Christoph Baumgartner. Gregoric. Well, they have the ball once more. And there it is, the final whistle. A really positive start on match day one. An away win, Stuart.
Yeah, that's a good win and a vital 3.